Oh,
We're here at
video.
Foster Square,
Tago may damo.
Starbucks. Hindot kay diri dapita kailangan mga apartment. Ang ubos kay kananan.
Retail service.
Pero mahal kayo mo puyo diri.
Mas mahal pa sa balay.
Okay. No, bakante pa. Ngayon.
Yung nanay suwad.
Coast in town. Kani is mo man ang Indian na pizza house.
Ito man, ano naman siya?
Coast in town.
Uy, abli na siya lang.
Soft opening.
Oh, you could have tried it.
Breakfast and brunch. May bago ni police sa kwan. Shiki.
Awa.
Coast in town. It's an American breakfast and brunch.
Yeah, which is good.
Okay.
Good in this area. Okay, what siya? Perfect. Nandito, kung ganun tanawin, can we go? Right. Eric's Eric's Deli Cafe.
Deli Cafe. Oh, it's a sub, like sandwiches. Nani sa Foster City Square.
Is police station labo?
Yeah, that there. Okay, go.
Nagpalit kong carrot cake.
Okay.
Okay, it looks good.
And we're heading back to Lululemon.
Sorry.
It's fine.
It's not Lululemon, it's Happy Lemon.
Happy Lemon. We'll buy some drink. Unsa ang drink atong palitan?
Mango matcha.
Mango matcha drink
And we already had dessert. Good thing our dessert is not too sweet, no?
Uh-huh.
Okay, mukhang patag mango matcha. Mango matcha.
The weather is nice.
I wanna eat there. I wanna eat there too. Oh, ito.
Di mi na nga no sa Chua Chim Thai cuisine.
Sirado ang Mongolian. And ay Starbucks ito ay tambayan na mo sa mga senior. My senior gang.
That's Foster Square. It's in Foster City. So these are benches and tables.
Yeah, no smoking.
No smoking. Sarap dito magkape-kape, lingkod-lingkod, tambay. That's a Starbucks. We're here at Happy Lemon. I'll just stay here. I'll just stay here outside. Okay. So Bossing went to Eric's Cafe to buy carrot cake. Okay. So we're here at Happy Lemon. We'll buy a mango matcha. If the drink is done, happy matcha at Happy Lemon. After Happy Lemon, we're going back to the parking lot. And lunch date is done with Bossing. We have lunch at
Oh, I wanna go to Daiso.
Daiso padi ay Daiso. We have lunch in a Thai cuisine. We have pad Thai, red curry chicken, and calamari. And then we tried their taro. What's that, Lala?
Something Thai name, pero
Yeah.
mara siyang budbud.
Taro budbud. Kung sa Bisaya, budbud. Kung sa Tagalog, malagkit na rice.
Suman.
Suman. So we're heading back to the parking lot. That's a nice dog there.
Panganghit niya.
So di kami nag-lunch ah.
Or if they did, they just didn't. Yeah, or if they did, they just didn't release.
We're going to Daiso. Maktas and there is parking.
May paggamay ra akong pilok, lisod pa dyan sa akong mata.
Mga ito nang musod kay gamay ram pilok. Wala kay makaali.
Di ginuton niya ako.
So, after sa Daiso, kay mo anak mi og Safeway. Malit mi og kuan.
Nice yung car.
Oh.
What is that?
Daiso is there. So,
Hey.
after mo to
ganun
make Safeway kay every Friday na ay sale sa Safeway.
Step. $95 sushi for sure.
$5 sushi for sure. Yeah.
Regular kay $7.50.
Yeah.
Or $7.99 yan. Kung
Look at those
kay
flowers,
King.
Lala mo.
Allergic mo ka?
Kana di man siguro na maka-allergic ng flowers. I don't know, that's too strong.
For kuan, rose kay mag-allergic ko. Kung rose, iblaboy na lang ako. Hindi ko siya.
Flowers.
Lavender, baka KaYO.
Yeah.
Akong gianhi kay medyas.
Optometry, Lala mo. Magpakuan niya tadi ha. Nice place to tambay. Daiso. So, dire lang kukutob kayo maulaw ba.
Uy, na siya ay.
Natay dagang mga kaanging nanay. Inganion din ako akong kuan, Lala mo. Itong mga kuan natay nana ako. Agutay nana.
Hindi.
So, dire lang ko kay mawa ko mag-video dito. Muna akong balik-balikan dire sa kuan. Sa Daiso. Mga small items na accessories. I'm buying this two-way lantern. Pwede siya lantern, pwede siya flashlight. I'll get this one. We're here at Safeway. Mapalit mi og chicken. Rosemary garlic chicken, Lala mo. We'll try this one. It's $9.99. Rosemary garlic chicken. So we'll just be into Daiso. Muna yung mong gipalit. Two-way lantern. Siyempre, medyas na po. Every time my wife goes to Daiso, she buy socks. Nakabok socks. And a bar wrench. Kailangan ko to. Mag-dismantle sa chair. Donuts. Palit mi og shakoy. Cinnamon twist. O sa Bisaya, shakoy. Gimingaw may shakoy. Sarap. Shakoy. Duha lang tagsata.
Social cinnamon twist ang pangalan.
Aha. O duha ka sugar glaze. Sugar glaze donuts. Ipare sa mainit na kape. Okay, thank you very much.
That's it.
Palit ko chicken thigh for fried chicken. Which is $13. Nine, that's 34. Oh, from 34 to 948 na lang. Oh, let's buy this one, value pack. Ground beef, pang spaghetti, and
Spaghetti. Kanang butangan o beans na
Beans.
Ibarog.
okay. So we'll buy this one too. Paborito na mo, pang turkey sandwich with lettuce, tomatoes. I'll get this one. $5.99. Bagong pizza na discovery namin na lami. Masarap. We'll get this one. Shopping continues. In the middle of the day.
Gamay ra gud tao.
Turn right. Peanuts, ang paborito. Food for the brain. It's $4.99. Uy, sale! $1.99. Yeah.
Ano di?
$4.99, $1.99. Okay.
Okay kung nag-happy. I need to scan otherwise.
Sakit yung imo ha?
Na dito spikasin.
Okay, hopefully kuwanto ka ng sale. So, Snapple tea, peach. Palitan ni. Ganahan po miya ni. Let's buy some cheese. $6.99. It's for the sandwich, turkey sandwich. So we have lettuce already and tomatoes balay. It can save us a lot, and then buying those sandwiches for $7. So I bought turkey deli meat for $5, and that's a lot already. Let's buy watermelon, $3.99 each. We'll buy some ice cream.
Saan ka na?
Huh? Strawberry ice cream. Dreyers, please.
Dreyers?
Buy that one too.
You want Dreyers?
Try the salted caramel.
I just want the one. I just want the... $9.99? Isn't that expensive?
Sure, expected. Naghanap na palitan.
Aray.
Oh, it's less $9, I think, Lala. Or is it less or the price already?
Yeah, so it took off $24.59. I took off $24.99. I see. That is the red one. Yes, in the credit. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Donuts. You got 4 donuts. Look up my name.
Enter your donut quantity and touch the enter box forward. Place your donut in the bag.
So we pay $84 and $75. Good.
How many store provided bags?
2 bags. Hello everyone, KaYO. Welcome back to our channels, and to those who are watching this video, thank you for coming back. Friends, not friends, silingan, dili silingan, nasa na laing nasod, ug asa mo karon. Have a good day to everyone. We just had our lunch, Thai, and we have pad Thai,
Red curry
red curry,
and calamari.
And dessert that they have like budbud,
Suman in Tagalog.
suman in Tagalog, lami kayo. So that was a good lunch. And then after we went to Daiso, we bought small things. And every time we go to Daiso, my bossing Lalab
Lain na.
buy some socks.
Ulit your socks.
And then this is from Happy Lemon, the matcha drinks. Oh, natunaw
Mango
na.
matcha.
Mango matcha.
Ami kayo.
It's good.
And then this one.
Then we went to Safeway. Buy some groceries.
And then this one
some-
kay.
And
Murag
shakoy! Shakoy of the day!
Mahugaw ka.
Yeah, I'll show you. They call this a cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon twist daw.
Cinnamon twist, but in Bisaya we call this shakoy. Sarap. Okay, mga KaYO, bye. I hope you have a good day, cause we're having a good day. Bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos.